Hi, day 5 of the 14. Yesterday I was talking about the space and time opening, where all the duality subjects are happening. And I explained how we get into it. We is source. We each time part of source goes into this field, chooses his or her own program and lives it, of course. And for almost every topic, every theme, we need somebody else who is doing the opposite. I have found one thing that you could do alone, but that is for another opportunity. Somebody whom I admire very much. But for most of the themes, we need somebody else who's doing the opposite role. If I want to be abandoned, I need somebody who is abandoning me. Very simple. Who leaves me in a shoebox somewhere in the street or whatever. Who throws up the telephone or who doesn't want to see me and things like that. So it's all part of totality. We can't separate it as good or bad. The thing is, and how we look at it, that is a personal interpretation. And we can decide to suffer by it. We can decide to be angry about it or indignated or whatever. All the possibilities are allowed in this time and space opening. But once, and I can help you to get very much clarity on the list of topics, themes you have chosen for this life. Perhaps there are already themes that repeat themselves. Okay, is also no problem. Because the more we live it, the more information we have and the better informed we are. That is how it works. At the end, we become experts on several things. And each one is unique and each one has his own package of, it's a learning curve. It is an information collecting happening in a way, if you want to call it like that. So is it good or bad? No, it is. It is, and we are source in action. So what is the problem? Yeah, we can be thankful to the other that he or she is playing the other role, the opposite role, because in that way we really get to know the whole thing. At the end, all these experiences we get into this field, this time and space opening, all these experiences, most of them have a lot of pain and suffering and loneliness and whatever emotion. So the first thing is to detect the themes, then to clean all the experiences. And once all the emotional and mental charge is gone from the experience, we have a treasure of information. And that is what Source wants to have, because Source itself has the potential, but not the experience. Now it is the potential plus the experience. And what are we going to do with it? Each one with his own present. We bring it back to Source. And in that way, Source knows itself better and better and better. How nice. And as a consequence, all the original universes are changing accordingly. And whatever anyone is doing here in this time and space opening has an effect on whatever part in the universe. And we can be very unconscious or very conscious, very elevated or not. It doesn't matter, because each one is doing part of totality. And what is good and what is not good, Who says what is good and what is not good? Bye bye, till tomorrow.